Okay. How to how to how to do LandFX. So you have the LandFX planting and schedule. I mean plant manager. And then so I have a list of plants already. So to add another one, press new. Do that. Bees plus sage. So usually you want to search with the scientific name. Here it is. And you can also double click it to get you more details. Add to project. And add. So go back. Just click it once and then add. And then here, click on it, have a blue edit. Size is like what you want to sell it in. Usually shrubs come in 5 gallons. Bigger trees are usually like 24-inch boxes. I'm doing all these like bigger shrubs 15 gallons, medium shrubs 5 gallons, perennials 1 gallon, and then ground cover flat. Bless you. So we'll do 5 gallon. You can find this information on at nurseries. So anyways, container type, usually the gallons are in pots and the inches would be in boxes. WUCOLS is for like hydrozones. So high, low, low, medium, low, very low, blah, blah, blah. B splits is low, so I'll do low. And then this is very important. So for this assignment, I'm doing maximums, around maximums, and of course to get these sizes, look at many nurseries. So I do 8 feet. And then click here, change the symbol. I prefer having it with the letters in the middle. So I'm gonna do it in this one. All this shows up. Click OK. And then you want to place it. So have it highlighted and click place. But it doesn't snap every time you gotta turn this on. Okay. And then let me find where I'm supposed to put it. Here's one. Put it here so it snaps. And you keep on doing it until you're done. So so the WUCOLS is actually not originally on here. So to find it, You go to planning, I think, actually, no. You go to preferences, planning preferences. These are for point outs. I'm trying to find it. Yeah, here it is. So go to plant sizes. It's under trees, shrubs. You gotta do this over and over and over. So originally it only had without the WUCOLS with 2 columns. So add another column, 3, and then add WUCOLS. And then under WUCOLS here, that's when you put H new, L new, LM new, and you do it over and over and over. And then you click OK when you're done. This base, make sure it's scaled correctly. So you have like a serif base originally, and then make sure your units are right, and you put it in here, or you can do just copy it and paste it. Make sure the units are right. And then also when you first put in the plants, it's gonna ask for the scale. Do make sure it's imperial with the 1/8. Well, for this one, I'm doing 1/8. So 1/8 inch. There's like 3 options. Do the one with the 1/8 inch equals 1 foot dash 0 inches. Yeah, that's it so far. I don't like this